Hi everyone, it's Michelle Bollywood again. Thank you guys all for joining me in my next video. Oh my gosh, I'm actually super excited for this one, and because I usually love the ones that you guys suggest. They're the ones I've never seen before, and this one is a really crazy one because it's a Samsung India service ad, and it's the most watched video in 2017, and it has over 200 million views, which is so crazy to me. Wow, that's so good. Cool. Before I get started, I just want to thank all of you. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Again, we are like a small family. You guys are literally the best subscribers ever. So when I grow, I will definitely remember you guys because you guys were my first few followers. So thank you so much. As you guys know, I respond to every single comment and I see every single comment. So thank you all for commenting, and I really do appreciate you guys. Stay tuned to the end because that's when I will be ranking the video and shouting out one of you. So thank you so much. Let's not waste too much time. I know you guys don't like when I talk throughout the video, so stay at the end because that's when I will be commenting. And leave any other videos you guys want me to do. Okay, here we go.
हेलो
हेलो मैम। मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित।
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
I've
हाँ
never
हाँ
seen this actor
क्या आप
before.
7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी
Okay.
बिल्कुल।
Oh my gosh, that bridge is scary. I love that there's subtitles here. Comment below, are you guys Android or sorry, if you guys like iPhone or Samsung, what do you guys like? Oh my goodness, for the long.
मैं थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ, बस आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है
That's
चंदू की भेड़ों ने
commitment.
फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा। अमित
Oh, I thought this was a phone ad. I guess this is
आइए।
a TV ad?
टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
Oh my gosh.
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी जल्दी
Oh my goodness. I just got goosebumps.
जल्दी आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी।
Oh my gosh.
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन। और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चहेती प्रेरणा।
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना।
Oh,
तेरे
this
बिन
ad is
नहीं
so
लगता दिल मेरा
good.
ढोलना।
हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
made their day. Oh my gosh.
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना
I
पड़ता
am
है,
speechless.
इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने कोने तक।
This was literally the best ad I've ever seen. I'm so speechless. Okay, like I don't even know what to say. Like, okay, first off, I cannot rank this video. It's literally the best video I've seen in so long. Like, first, you think he's going, and I honestly, in the beginning of the video, I thought he's gonna go and fall in love with the girl that he's helping out. But then you notice that she's blind, and then, or like, yeah, that she's has a disability, and then he's probably wondering like, why does she need the TV on? And then another surprise happens that once the TV is fixed, all the kids start running down, and you're like, oh my gosh, she's a teacher. And then you notice all the kids there, they have a disability too. And then another surprise is that, okay, you think they're gonna watch a movie together, but they end up watching someone who has a disability that they know, who stays in the hostel with them, who's also disabled, and they're cheering her on. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then you realize that his journey was so hard, but it was worth the trouble at the end. He made all their day, and that's what made his day. That was such a good video. Like, oh my gosh, I really, really love the suggestion, and I understand why people are still watching it after 2017. This shout out definitely goes to Naresh Singh. Thank you so much for recommending this video. I can't wait to show others. Wow, that was so good. Did you guys love it as much as I did? What was the reaction that you got when you first saw it? Again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next